Which animal can't move backward? Kangaroo. Which body part never stops growing? Ears. What's the only food that never spoils? Honey from 3,000-year-old pharaoh's tombs is still edible. Which animal can taste with its feet? Butterfly. Which bird can fly backward? Hummingbird. Which planet rains diamonds? On Saturn, nearly 1,000 tons of diamonds fall from the sky every year due to the planet's extreme pressure. Which animal has fingerprints like humans? Koala. Which fruit explodes when overripe? Watermelon. Which country has the most pyramids? Sudan has over 200 pyramids, more than Egypt. What animal can't look up at the sky? Pig. Which country invented paper? China. Which animal has 3 hearts? Octopuses also have blue blood, and they're incredibly smart. They can even open jars to get food inside. Which country has pink lakes? Australia. Think you know the answer? Try to guess which quiz question matches this picture. Write your answer in the comments and subscribe. Part 2 is coming very soon.